ये तैनात हैं। उन्हें मालूम है सामने से आने वाला दुश्मन कितना खतरनाक हो सकता है, कितना भारी पड़ सकता है, लेकिन ये जज्बा ही है जो इन्हें यहाँ पर तैनात मजबूती से रखे हुए है। बहुत दिलचस्प एक सैनिक हमारे साथ हैं यूक्रेन के, आंद्रे। You have lived in India?
2 times I was in India, yeah. Once it was Mayapur, then Vrindavan, of course, with the Hare Krishna people.
Okay.
And then,
So you know Hare Ram, Hare Krishna?
yeah, I know Hare Krishna, of course. I chant, actually.
Oh, that is nice.
At night, we have
So
also here, we stay here at night. So at night there is more free time, no more cars, and so I chant Hare Krishna mantra.
ये देखिए इनकी शक्ति का सूत्र क्या है। ये हरे कृष्ण हरे राम को जपते हैं यहाँ पर, और खासकर जब रात के समय यहाँ पर तैनात रहते हैं। सो हाउ लॉन्ग डू यू स्टैंड हियर? यू नो it's very dangerous and the Russians are coming forward, it's being said.
Well, since first day I went to be volunteer for the.
Okay, for the army.
Yeah, for the army. Second day we got the AK-47s, and since then we watching in our area here, working at night and in daytime.
So you are confident of fighting for your country?
Well, of course I'm scared also. It's not my business actually. Well, I'm not professional.
What did you
warrior.
do? What do you do?
I'm not a kshatriya. I was a professional athlete.
मैं क्षत्रिय नहीं हूँ, आई एम नॉट अ क्षत्रिय, ये कह रहे हैं।
Yeah.
लेकिन आप क्या करते थे? What did you do?
Well, I was doing sport, professional sportsman, triathlon.
Okay, triathlon. So means you're fit, you're super fit.
Yeah, I was fit. Now I'm 51 now, so I'm not professional athlete, but still fit. Yeah.
शहर के पश्चिमी हिस्से से खतरा कीव की ओर बढ़ रहा है।